So hello guys, today we're gonna do a tutorial about accessing remotely to a Windows server that is on Azure on your cell phone or tablet. So if you guys enjoy it and if it helps you, please subscribe the channel. This is the way you have to support my work, and it's very well appreciated. So to start, we have to install this app here, the client RD, or it's a remote desktop client. So here to start have to be clean. You cannot have computers here or servers here. So if you have any server, just erase from here. So after this, you have to first close this app. This app have to be always closed. And now you need the app from Azure. Is the one on the upper right corner. You just go to the store and download. Here you have your machines. You just have to select the machine you want. I just have one, so I will select this one. And now I need to connect in the down right corner, so you just put connect. He will push up the other app that you have of remote desktop. Here you put your domain slash your admin, and here you put your password. There you go. After put the password, I stop a little bit the video, because when you put the password here, it will show what is the actual password. So continue. You have to put connect, and he will bring the server up, and you can do whatever you want on the server. It's like a normal computer. So you just use your touch screen to control the mouse. If you click one time, we'll do a normal click. If you click and stand up with your finger, we'll do the right one click, and you can do whatever you want. There you go. I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel.